What is 10Web AI Builder? 10Web AI Builder is an innovative website creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to streamline and automate the web design process. It is designed to help individuals, businesses, and agencies create high-quality WordPress websites quickly and efficiently. By leveraging AI technology, 10Web AI Builder eliminates the need for extensive coding or design experience, making website development accessible to everyone. Benefits of 10Web AI Builder: AI-powered website creation. The AI Builder can automatically generate a fully functional WordPress website based on user-provided content and preferences. Users simply input their business details, and the AI takes care of the rest. Creating a professional-looking site in minutes. You can 10Web for free. Link provided in video description for you to start your own website. Drag-and-drop editing. The platform offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, allowing users to customize their websites easily. With no coding required, users can modify layouts, text, images, and other elements effortlessly. Mobile-friendly responsive design. Every website built with 10Web AI Builder is fully responsive, ensuring a seamless user experience across all devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. SEO optimization. The AI Builder incorporates SEO best practices to enhance website visibility on search engines. This includes optimized meta tags, image compression, and fast-loading pages. Lightning-fast performance. Websites created with 10Web AI Builder are hosted on Google Cloud, guaranteeing high-speed performance and top-tier security. Automated hosting security. The platform provides automated WordPress hosting with built-in security features, including SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and automated backups to safeguard your website data.